The cloud of dust that hits your face every time you empty a vacuum bin is basically a rite of passage for homeowners. It is messy. It is gross. It makes you feel like you are just moving the dirt from the floor back into the air. That specific frustration is exactly what this new stick vacuum tries to solve by stealing a brilliant idea from the robot world. It features a dedicated base station that automatically empties the dustbin for you. You just drop the vacuum into its cradle and a loud motor pulls every bit of hair and debris into a sealed bag. No more clouds of dust. No more digging out stuck clumps of pet hair with your fingers. On the surface, it feels like the ultimate cleaning machine. It has more suction power than almost any other cordless vacuum on the market right now. There is even a special green light on the front that illuminates the floor at a wide angle. It makes every tiny crumb and dust bunny look like a massive glowing obstacle. You will find yourself cleaning spots you never even knew were dirty. It is both satisfying and slightly horrifying to see what has been hiding on your floors. However, there is a catch that might break the deal for some people. The battery life is a bit of a marketing trick. They tell you it can run for 90 minutes. That sounds like a dream. But that number only applies if you are using the lowest power setting without the motorized floor head attached. Once you actually start cleaning carpets on a normal setting, that time drops down to about 25 minutes. If you need the maximum suction for a deep clean, the battery might only last for about 10 or 12 minutes. That is a huge difference. It means this machine is not really meant for a marathon cleaning session in a massive house. It is built for the person who does short, frequent bursts of cleaning throughout the week. The vacuum is always charged and always empty because of that dock. If you try to use it like a traditional corded vacuum, you are going to be disappointed when it dies halfway through the living room. There are also some strange design choices for a machine that costs $600. There is no automatic mode to adjust the suction based on the flow type. You have to change it yourself using buttons that are a little awkward to reach with one hand. The door on the dock also feels a bit flimsy since it just pulls off rather than swinging on a hinge. Despite those flaws, the innovation here is real. The self-emptying dock is the best version of this technology I have seen on a stick vacuum so far. It makes the daily chore of cleaning feel much less like a disgusting task. If you live in a smaller place and can find this on a good sale, it might be the last vacuum you ever need to buy. It is a bold step forward that proves our cleaning gadgets are getting smarter, even if the batteries are still trying to keep up with the power. You get a lot of convenience, but you have to work within its limits to really be happy with the purchase. It turns the worst part of cleaning into something you never have to think about again. That alone makes it worth watching as the technology evolves.